Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to convert gallons to quart and quarts to gallon. So we'll start with gallon to quart conversion. For this we need to know the basic relation between gallon and quarts, which is 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So if we have a question to convert 5 gallons is equal to how many quarts, so what we need to do is, sorry, my pen is not working well. Okay, so 5 gallon we can write it as 5 times 1 gallon. So here 5 times, as 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, so we'll write the value of quarts in gallon in terms of quarts. So 5 times 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So here we'll write is 5 times 4, which is 20 quarts. So 5 gallon is equal to 20 quarts. In this way we can convert gallons to quarts. Now if we need to convert quart to gallon, so we all know that 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So 4 quarts we can write it as 4 times 1 quart. By this relation we can get at 1 quart as 1 over 4 gallons. So what we'll do, if we have a question to convert, suppose 24 quarts is equal to how many gallons. So what we'll do, we'll write 24 quarts as 24 times 1 quart. Now this quart, in place of 1 quart we'll write the value of quart in terms of gallon, which is 24 times 1 over 4 gallons. So this will give us 24 over 4, which is equal to 6 gallons. So 24 quarts is equal to 6 gallons. So in this way we can convert any quart to gallon. So this is very easy. For this we need to know the basic relation. When we need to convert gallon to quart, we should know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quart. And when we need to convert quart to gallon, we should know that 1 quart is equal to 1 over 4 gallon. This is how we can convert gallon to quart and quart to gallon. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like my videos and don't forget to subscribe.